welcome back to our Connects week. And now we have more Connects. And they also sent us some Tinker Toys. I have a pink one and I have a blue one. The pink one is for girls and the blue one is for boys. I'll build this one and my dad will build this one. Let's put the blue one away right now. So here's the front of the box, and for 3 and up, there are 15 building ideas. Snap together and stay together. The 150 pieces, you can build lots of cool stuff. Here's one for the box, and this shows you what kind of pieces you get. Even though there's one piece of it, still has more of it. On the back, it shows you more things to build. Okay, so let's open this one up. Here's the pieces, and here's some more pieces. And here's some construction book to show you how to build something. Can't open it. Oh, this is much better. We got these pieces, like these pieces. Gotta be careful. Really, we have to open this? Of course, because it's a girly thing. So it's a horse and a pink. Looks like a pig because it's small, but it has a tail. We have some more pieces here. Some are in a bag, so we have to open them. And what's that? Shows me on the box. Hey, where's my scissors? Where's my scissors? Oh, here they are. So now we have to open this. This is what the blue box looks like. I'm building the person now. Let's see, what am I gonna make? I'm gonna make this little bunny rabbit. These go on the bottom like that. Now this is the head. Now I'm gonna make something for the princess. Okay, so now here's my bunny. I got a little ride, and I got a little piglet, and I got Cyclops with big ears. This is from the pink set. Wow! 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 So here's what my dad made. He did a motorcycle, little car motorcycle for the boy. And he built a little alien to scare him away. So that was the TinkerToy video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Wait, you didn't look at the camera.
Oh.